Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Motorola Edge 50 Pro to PC or a similar device, and how we can transfer data from one device to another. So for this we need to use a cable. If your PC has the USB Type-C slot, then of course you can use the cable that is included inside the box. However, in my case I have to use a cable that has USB Type-C on one end and the default USB on the other. Because I don't have USB Type-C slot on my PC. And of course USB Type-C is needed in this case for the device, so what we need to do is simply plug it in. There we go. And of course the other end goes to your device that you want to connect to your PC. Once you connect, now you need to swipe from the top to the bottom in order to open the notifications, and over here you have charging this device. If you tap over here on the right side, you will open more information, and we can tap on this notification in order to open the preferences, and here we can choose file transfer, like so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.